Hi guys, hello YouTubers, and very good evening to you. And I'll be showing my TF2 running. I show you the sound it makes. Yep, this one. That's what I'm doing with 67th range.